Howdy, howdy, Roadrunners. Today we're going to walk through registration at LBCC via the Register Add Drop tool. This can be found in your WebRunner in your myLB single sign-on. We're going to select Student, Registration, and Register Add Drop Classes. We're going to click on Register for Classes. Then we'll select the term that we want to register for and continue. Here we can see a number of different ways to search. We can search in general for the subject. If we know the subject and course number, then we can type that in as well. We can do multiples at the same time. We can search by campus if we want to take classes on the Albany campus or Corvallis campuses or online. We can select open sections only so that we'll only see classes that actually have room for us either in the class or on the wait list. If we click on advanced search, we can search by instructor, keywords, we can search for meeting days. There's a whole number of ways that we can refine our search with that advanced search if you want to, but you can also just type in the subject and course number and hit search. Here we can see this anthropology class that we added is full, but there are 5 spots on the wait list. So I can click Add. My status is pending until I select Waitlisted because there's no spots in the class, but I can waitlist for it, and Submit. And now I'm on the wait list. If we scroll down, we can see our other searches. Here we can see this class has a time conflict with one of my other classes that I'm already registered for, so I don't want to select that. What I can do is add this class. By clicking Add, it'll pop up in my summary and I can hit Submit. If I know the CRN or course registration number of the courses that I want to register for, I can also click on Enter CRNs and just type them into this box. I can click Add to Summary, or if I have multiple CRNs, I can click Add another CRN and add them all at the same time by clicking Add to Summary. You can see here they come into my summary as pending, and to actually get registered I have to hit Submit. Now all of my classes have been added to my colorful schedule here. I can see the details here. I can also, by going to Schedule and Options, print off my schedule or email it to myself and others if I just type in any email here. And that's how you get registered via Register Add Drop classes in your WebRunner.